Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm currently at Central, right on platform number 23, just waiting on for Waratah Series 1 Set A42. To cut a long story short, Waratah Series 1 Set A42 crashed into a buffer stop at Richmond Station on the 22nd of January 2018. And today it's its first official day since its return to service. So anyway viewers, I will see you when Waratah Series 1 Set A42 arrives on platform number 23. And we should have Waratah Series 1 Set A42 arriving on platform number 23 for a Macarthur service, stopping next at Green Square, followed by Mascot, Domestic Airport, International Airport, Wallay Creek, Reesby, Penania, East Hills, Holsworthy, Lindfield, and all stations to Campbelltown, then Macarthur. A42.
Next stop, Lindfield. will stop at Glenfield. Change at Glenfield for T2 City, T5 Richmond and Leppington services.
Anyway, viewers, I'm at Campbelltown, just waiting on for Waratah Series 1 A42 to depart. Just going to show you guys this here. That caused major damage when this power car was D6342. In fact, D6379 replaced D6342. It was a bit of an extensive repair bill. And Waratah Series 1 A42 now departing platform number 3, Macarthur service, stopping next at Macarthur only. Whilst Waratah Series 1 A42 is leaving, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click the notification bell on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, right next to the subscribe tab, to receive updates about my latest releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.